Wow, nini? I'm supposed even to be taking class. Nitango aje? Class mpya za Zoom.
FOREX is live now.
Nakubana notification?
I'm going to activate it.
Acha. Napotea set ndachukua hii. Ichukue acha turn join in acha tuone. 16. I want us to get up to around 20 something. Sorry, nimepotea watu wanasema nimepotea sana, sijapotea sana. But I hope KJPY ililipa watu last time. Pound USD ilishindwa ku break channel, that's why ilianguka, ilikaa tu inside the channel. Waited for it to break. Yeah? Now I wish I did a live video on Monday. Tukulie nini USD card, I wish I did that. Because it really paid me so well. USD card. So how many are we? Tuko poa. So nataka tufanye analysis za major currencies, pound USD, euro USD, and the gold. Venye tujue direction ya the market. Hizo zenyewe zinapeananga direction ya market karibu yote. So we're gonna do analysis hizo tatu, euro USD. Laptop ina misbehave kidogo tu. So we're gonna start with tuanzie na nani? I think we should start with pound. So I want us to start na pound analysis za pound. Let me turn my camera in front. So nataka tuanzie na analysis za pound USD. So I said hivi, ukianzia analysis zozote za forex ama volatility, make sure umeanzia na monthly. Najua volatility inanga hizo chart kubwa, but forex inakuanga na chart kuanzia 1997 and going onwards. Chart ya forex inaanzanga kuanzia huko 1997. So pole, nataka tuanzie na on monthly first. Weke candlesticks zako za monthly. So we look for support and resistance. We're gonna put our support there. So this one and this one, this is a double bottom. Hapa hivi chini market yetu imeform double bottom. The next thing you look for ni neckline, because hapa ni penye market itakuja. So you put the neckline kwa week. This is the week. This is called the week. This is called the week. This is called the body. Hizi week. Hizi nono tunaitangwa body. Hizi to length konde utu tunaitangwa week. Sawa utu. They are called the week. So we put it up to the week. So our market, it has never touched this position. So Bayaka is still a bit bado valid. Now we take a trend line. We are still on monthly. This is pound USD. We are still on monthly. This is our highest position here. Touch it to our second highest position. This is our highest position. Our second highest position ni hapa. See hapa, this is recent market. So huwezi kuchukua hii trend line atuwekelea hapa. That is wrong. Hii market, hii ni recent market. Hii ni recent market. Our highest position ni hapa. Second highest position ni hapa. Alafu market ikakuja hapa. And as you can see, walikuja ni kama retest, wakaguza, wakarudi chini, wakakuja, wakabreak, wakaenda juu. So if this market breaks, this is a double bottom. If this market breaks, here, our neckline. Neckline ni penye market tulishuka, tukapanda. This one make our neckline. Penye market ilikuja, ikapanda, ikashindwa kupita. So it was unable to pass this position. That's why it went back down. Then it's up. When they break this position, our market is going to go up to here. This is where swing trade come in. Wanafanyanga swing trade. The moment our market will break this position, pound USD will come up to here. And because we have broken this one, higher chances you can go up, but that is on monthly even venye inasema, but haijapeana trade bado. Let's see what weekly has. Weekly we have something like this. Now if I go back to, there's something I need to explain. If I go back to monthly, yes, if I go back to monthly, we had a double bottom, another double bottom here, hapa, a small one. We had the big one, this one, and then we had the small one. We had the big one, this one, the big one, and then we had the small one. We had another double bottom here. And our neckline is at this position, which you can notice the market imerudi chini mpaka ikaifanya retest ya neckline. Wamebreak hiyo neckline here. This is our small double bottom, this one here. Are we together? We have a small double bottom here. So the market drops up to that area, and if you go to weekly, when you go to weekly, you can't see it. Okay, in the weekly, our double bottom was formed in our candlesticks are monthly, these are weekly. So our market, when we go to weekly, do you have anything else? We have something we can do with weekly. We can draw a line. Sorry, we can draw a line here, which come in like that up to there. From this is our highest position. Now we are at weekly candlesticks. We can draw a line from here to here, and then we have a line like that one. So we have something like that. Sorry, let me go back. Nirudishe chart venye ilikuwa. We have something like that. Let me draw it perfectly in a day, because we'll do it with weekly, it's not making sense. And then our market has that. Then when you draw a line here down, our market has formed something very interesting. Just at the bottom. Now on Monday, kuamka Monday, everyone was supposed to be buying this one, but a confirmation candlestick ingepewa na 4 hours. Let me go. No, we are at day candlestick. If you can see it, imeform double bottom here. Imeform double bottom hapa. This is pound USD. Those who are joining in, imeform double bottom hapa hivi chini. So their target ya any market inakuanga neckline. Neckline ni penye market ilishuka, ikakuja ikashuka, ikafika, ikashindwa kubreak, ikaenda chini. They form the double bottom. Now the candlesticks zenye tumeformiwa hapa chini ni za reversal. We have a hammer. This is a candlestick called a hammer. We have engulfing. This candlestick ya red imekaviwa, and then hizi candlestick tatu, 1 2 3, zote tatu zinaitangwa morning star. Those are reversal candlestick. Ni kuonyeshana market haitaanguka, imemaliza sell yake. We have a hammer, which is a reversal candlestick. We have engulfing. This one, these both of them, a hammer and this one, it's called engulfing. Hii candlestick ni kubwa ya green. Let me change it so that someone can understand what I'm saying. Properties. Let me change them to green so that someone can understand. Kuna watu wamezoea candlesticks za green. So let me put it, okay. So this is a engulfing candlestick ya red, ni engulfing na candlestick ya green. This is a reversal candlestick. This is a hammer. Hammer is a reversal candlestick. Regardless, the color doesn't usually matter. Inaweza ni pound USD wenye wananiuliza ni pia gani. The color doesn't usually matter. Haja ni candlestick imeformiwa. This is a hammer. This is engulfing. Juu candlestick ya green imekaviwa up. Na ya candlestick ya red imekaviwa up na candlestick ya green. Alafu zikiwa tatu, 1 2 3, this is called a morning star. So this market is supposed to proceed up, but inasema inafai proceed up, which I know a lot of people will have their buy along this position, but let's see kama itatupeana entry. Juu kuna kujua market itapanda na kupata entry. Now this market is supposed to come, if you check on 4 hours, we don't have a double bottom. Double bottom yetu imeformiwa na candlesticks za day, haijaformiwa na 4 hours. If you check 4 hours imebreak hii side ya chini. We have some body here. So hii market imebreak side ya chini, but tukiangalia hapa haija break. So na tukienda kwa day tunaona hiyo double bottom. So ukiangalia kwa 4 hours, the 4 hours doesn't have a double bottom. Tuko pamoja? So double bottom yetu imeformiwa na candlesticks imeformiwa na candlesticks za day, haijaformiwa na candlesticks za 4 hours. Nilisema patterns lazima ujue zimeformiwa na candlestick gani. Don't go just trading for the sake of so we have a market inakaa hivyo. So I'm gonna take a line from hapa chini like this. This is 4 hours. Tumetoka day tumeko 4 hours. I'm gonna take a line from our lowest position. Our lowest position ni hapo. Second lowest position ni around almost hapa. So we have a market consolidating in between hapa. Unaona hapa na hapa juu. So unakujanga unaweka lines hivi. So ugoje market break any side. Unaona tukiweka line lowest position, trend line imeweka line hapa na hapa because you put them kwa weka. So market yetu imeingia ikakuja consolidate hapa. So mtu mjanja wa forex unagojeanga 4 hours zikuje break hapa juu. Wakibreak hapa juu buy. Wakibreak hapa juu na 4 hours. Yes, wakikuja wa break hapa juu na 4 hours. The market imeenda juu, yes? Ugoje wa break because this is a consolidation ya 4 hours. Market ikikuja break hapa juu. If the market comes break hapa juu, ikuje break hapa, you buy. Ikikuja consolidate break hii line na break hii, break side ya chini, you sell. So what I'm going to say, you're gonna wait for GU pound USD ikuje break side ya juu because tumetoka side ya chini, market yetu ikaingia consolidation. You wait for 4 hours. 4 hours forex inakuanga kuanzia saa 6 usiku hadi 4. That is the first 4 hours. Kuanzia 4 hadi 8 asubuhi, kuanzia 8 asubuhi hadi 12, kuanzia 12 hadi 4, kuanzia 4 tena hadi 8 usiku, kuanzia 8 usiku hadi 12. Are we together? So hii market ikikuja break hapa na 4 hours. 4 hours kubreak ni kumaanisha market candlestick ya 4 hours iformwe body, si week. Breakout ya forex ama volatility na kuanga body ya 4 hours ikuje break side ya juu na ifungwe na tuanze kuform candlestick mpya ya 4 hours. That when you're gonna place a buy. Place a buy here, take profit wapi? Hapa. Tukikuja to break hapa, take profit wapi? Hapa. That's how you go unakulianga market. We come from here, you wait for a breakout. Because we are on a consolidation, I won't advise anyone to buy or sell at this position. As much as market yetu iko na double bottom na candlestick za day. Nimesema kwa 4 hours we don't have that double bottom. Double bottom imeformiwa kwa candlestick ya day. Which pair? I think nishasema GU money madam, keep up the good work. Thank you. Can you check for V10? V10 is a buy. Kidogo too. I just want to check forex very fast and then we continue. Wait a minute. Just wacha niangalie tu forex kidogo tu and then we move on, eh? Which other pair for forex am I supposed to look at? Let me look at Euro USD, and then when I'm Euro USD, so Euro USD we go to monthly candlesticks and then like that, yeah? So monthly candlestick we have like that. The first thing we look for, nimesema in Euro USD, you look for support and resistance, yeah? You look for support and resistance. Kutrade inakuanga hivi rahisi, si ngumu. You trade what you see. That's what you think the market should do. So when you do your prediction, you wait for the market to react with your analysis. Uone kama ita give entry. So we look for support here, hapa candlestick is a monthly, and then we're gonna take a trend line from the highest position, which is there, to a second position hivi. Tuko na hapa market ili break, eh? So and then as you can see Euro USD, kitu uta notice we had a double top hapa. Acha ni zoom out ionekane vizuri. We had a double top. Tulikuwa na double top. Na hii market imekuja hadi kwa neckline. I don't know, by the end of this month I'm so sure they don't want to break the neckline, but wameguza every inch ya market kwenye walikuwa wanataka kuguza. Wameguza hapa even, and I know so well they don't want to close the market below the neckline, because nikokaa kumaanisha ikibreak neckline inafai proceed a bit chini, but market yetu imekuja ikaguza penye hii iliguza hapa, so ilishuka tukashuka hadi hapa, so they can come and form a head and shoulder along with monthly candlestick, just saying because what happened is small time frame come to fulfill we share bigger time frame. Yes, we had this position, let me put it kwa body, and we had this, ukiguzisha hapa katikati market haiku break neckline, hawaja break neckline, and then we had a double top. Na nilikwambia target yoyote ya double top inakuanga hii, market ikikuja ipande hivi, top ya kwanza, top ya pili, the first target, the target ni penye market ilifika hapa katikati. Lazima market inakuanga sure trade, lazima market irudishwe hapo. That is when this one is usually a sure trade. Ukaiona double top hivi, just jua first TP wana targeting kwenye market ilikuwa imefika hapa katikati, and unaona pound USD ilifanya nini, wamefika na hawaja break. Tuko pamoja. So that is on weekly. I can't see anything else on weekly. But let me see if I can draw a channel. 1 minute. I want to see if I can draw a channel which can help. Market yetu ina form side ya chini, so unaweka ili break. This one won't help. It won't help. Just let me leave it. We go to day candlesticks. The candlesticks inakaa hivyo. So you have a market inakaa this way. You take a trend line from the highest position to a second highest position, and then we take another trend line. Market yetu, you see that this trend line imeenda mpaka huku, so easy tusaidia. We need to take another one from here. Now penye tumeachiwa pa mwisho, and then we bring another one like this. Nice, like that, eh? Because ile hii ya kwanza haiwezi tusaidia, imeguza top ikaguza hapo ikakuja hivi, so hizi tusaidia. So the next one you're gonna take from this one, the last position imeguza na trend line to a second. So if the market breaks here, that's why unaona hii market get rejection. If a market breaks here, it's gonna proceed to this position, but haija break. Market haijafanya nini? Haija break. Now let's come back hapa chini kidogo. Market yetu ilituachia double bottom. Ona. Double bottom yetu ilikuwa imetoka wapi? Hapa. Ndio hii. Tuliachiwa double bottom. This market is coming up to here. This is a double bottom. Our double bottom ilitoka hapa. Now inaweza fika hapa iform inverted head and shoulder. Shoulder equal in head. Fika hadi hapa alafu form inverted head and shoulder along here. But this market is going to buy up to here. It's going to buy up to 1.18031 because here down 4 hours we have a double bottom. And what they can do so that they step out watu watoe watu, what they usually do, our double bottom, we had let me show you what happened in the market, how the market is manipulated. We have a double bottom. Our first bottom ni hapo, neckline yetu ni hii, alafu hii. Now they never did a retest a neckline. They get to halfway and then the market comes down. Let me do this. I want to take a screenshot so that I draw it. Kidogo tu. Let me take a screenshot of this so that I draw for you what they're gonna do. Because if I explain it, people won't understand. They're gonna do this. They can drop up to here. You see, they can drop up to there. They do the retest for the neckline because this is our double bottom. Bottom ya kwanza, bottom ya pili. Neckline yetu ilikuwa hapa. They come do a retest and then the market goes back up to here. Because we have, nimewambia hapa, we have a double bottom na market yetu ilitoka hapa. So market yetu wanaweza rudi hivi chini alafu ende juu, but that is upon them to decide, That is upon them to decide kama watarudi hivyo chini ama juu. Let me go back to my chart. Sorry, let me go back to my chart. Where is it? This one. So for you to determine itashuka hadi hapo, we have a market consolidating hapa. You can come and put a line hapa na hapa. For you to place a trade, then ya buy, gojea hii market itoke kwa hii consolidation. You put a line hapa na hapa. Kwenye 4 hours ikibreak side ya chini, sell it up to here. Ikuja i-break side ya juu, buy up to this position. Tuko pamoja? That's how easy unafanyanga analysis. Kazi yako inakuanga, kazi ya any trader inakuanga tu kuchora and then you wait. You can't check the market after every 4 hours. That's how I trade. Unakutanga kucheck the market after every 4 hours. Kama ime-break side ya juu ama ya chini, so that you can make a decision kama ni kubuy ama ni kusell. Because market inaendanga ikikupe patterns. You see kama hapa imetupea pattern iko na double bottom, but still I can predict they can form an inverted head and shoulder. They can form a very nice inverted head and shoulder. Wanaweza kuja wa form hii kwa shoulder, hii kwa head. Juu market yetu inafaa kufika hadi hapa. Alafu they form washuke hivi apande. They can form an inverted head and shoulder, but in one condition they don't break this position, but there is a higher chances of them forming a inverted head and shoulder. Still inverted head and shoulder ni tukuchukue tukuinamisha, kichwa iko chini, mabega zako lazima zitoshane, and this is the neckline hapa, yeah, the inverted head and shoulder. So if the market comes break, there is a high chances wanaweza kuja kuretest neckline. That is very common when the market gets to halfway. This is a double bottom, they didn't do a retest, the market will have to come and do a retest so that it can go back up. There's a high chances of them dropping up to this position, 1.17. And the reason why I'm saying that is because Euro USD goes opposite direction with USD chef. And USD chef, I saw it has a pattern. USD chef has a pattern of a buy. Let me show you. This is USD chef. USD chef. It goes opposite direction ya inaendanga opposite direction ya Euro USD. When Euro USD buys, USD chef sell. So if you see today, if we check today, USD chef in a buy. If you check Euro USD today Euro USD inafanya nini? Euro USD na sell. USD chef in a buy, Euro USD na sell. And the reason why I'm saying they can drop a bit and because of hii, hata hii sitashinda nikienda sana, wacha nionyeshe kwa nini market itabuy. Kwa day, this is USD chef. USD chef has this, it has an inverted head and shoulder, na lazima wasaidiane, lazima wapeane room. Inaitangwa kupeana room, inaitangwa kupeana room. It has an inverted head and shoulder. Hata sitashinda nikifanya, nafanya ya day tu nionyeshe. Was it on day? Ama weekly? That was like this. It was on day. So we have something like that. And this is the shoulder. This is the head. This is the other shoulder. Now note this. Wacha nisongeshe market, nifanye market iko kubwa. We have a double bottom here. So hii market inafaa irudi hadi hapa. Now for this market to go back up to here, Euro USD lazima nayo irudi ikatest neckline. Lazima Euro USD irudi hadi hapa. Euro USD irudi hadi hapa, ni venye ipe room USD chef imalize hii pattern yenye iko nayo. Are we together? So this one is a buy. This one I'm so sure about it. This one is a buy. But when you get trade, because mtu are making it trade kimalamala, you draw a trend line inakaa hivyo. From the highest position to here. You wait for the market ikuje break hapa. This is 4 hours. Ugoje market ikuje break hapa. Ikuje break hapa, ni market itakuja hadi wapi? Hadi hapa. Because tuko na double bottom na candlestick za day. Ugoje market ikuje break hapa. Hii line. Wakibreak your line na 4 hours, you can buy it. Just a nice buy. You make a buy from here up to here. But you have to wait for breakouts yake. Na si breakout ya 1 hour. Tafadhali, we don't do anything below 4 hours. Below 4 hours hiyo ni kelele ama mtu ana scalp. Ama mtu bado anajifunza forex. So you wait for the market ikuje break hapa na 4 hours. Iki break hapa na 4 hours, make a buy up to here. So you wait for a breakout here. So but that one gonna depend na venye Euro USD ita behave. Naona hata kwa 4 hours hatuna hiyo double bottom. Kwa 4 hours we don't have the double bottom, but ukikuja kwa day you're gonna see that double bottom here. Tuko pamoja? Kwa day utaona hiyo double bottom. Ukikuja 4 hours market ime break side ya chini. Unaona? Hatuna. Tukikuja kwa day, so double bottom yetu imeformiwa na candlesticks, but still tukiguzisha almost body this side hivi, hii market inakaa iko na inverted head and shoulder. Tuko pamoja? Iko na inverted head and shoulder, when still it has a double bottom. But the only way you're supposed to trade that market for a buy ni jikuja i break hapa juu. Still, let me show you why I can't advise anyone to get to a buy right now, because inaweza kuwa ni retest. You take a trend line from the lowest position. Why you have to be very keen na market. You take trend line from the lowest position. Let me show you. From the lowest position hapa tuguze hapa, hii inakaa ni retest. Sasa imechange aspect ya hiyo ingine. So that's why I'm saying you have to wait for the market to come and break this one na kuja break hapa. Kuja break hii na break hii na 4 hours, so that you can buy it. Because if you buy it, this can be a retest. Market iko hapa, market ika break side ya chini, imekuja kufanya retest, ni wenyewe ifanya nini? Ishuke. That can be another possibility. So you have to be very careful nayo, but it's gonna behave kulingana na venye Euro USD ita behave. Euro USD ki drop. If Euro USD decide to drop up to here, USD shelf is going to go up. The Euro USD is a mother currency of ni yenyewe hu dictate ya Euro GPY na dictate ya chef GPY na dictate ya USD shelf. So whichever way ita decide kwenda, ni yenyewe hu dictate. It's the one which dictates the direction of 3 pairs. Yes, those 3 pairs. Ni yenyewe hu dictate directions zenye zita take. If it decide to drop, USD shelf itaenda juu. Iki decide kubuy Euro USD, iki decide kubuy USD shelf itaenda chini. So those they correlate differently. Zinaendanga tofauti. Huyu akibuy huyu anasell. Unaona Euro USD at the moment inaanza kurudi juu, USD shelf ina. So before you decide to trade USD shelf, you have to know the direction of Euro USD. Ni kama tu venye pound, ndi venye you trade pound shelf. Pound GPY, you have to check on pound USD inasema nini. So I think that's it for forex. Wacha niende volatility, because I think, where are the comments? Kwani nimetupa comments? Sioni comments zenyu. Nimefinya wapi? Nimefinya wapi? I can't see your comments. How do you do? Unarudisha ngaje kwa comments kwa live video? I can't see their comments. I'm for real. Ebu get me here. Ebu check here. I can't see their comments. I don't know what I have done. No, I just want to flip the camera the other way around. Okay. I don't know. I can't see your comments. Sijui nimeguza wapi, so I can't answer so many questions. I just suddenly, oh my, what have I done? Okay. Now I want us to go to, sasa sijui zenye nilikuwa nimeulizwa maswali mingi zenye yeah. Okay. Nilikuwa nimeulizwa maswali mingi, but right now I can't even answer those questions. Kuna msi alikuwa mwenye one of those questions nilikuwa nimepata ilikuwa ya V10. V10 is a buy. V10 ni buy. V10 ni buy. My dear, ni buy strong. Ni buy ingine strong. Kama uko na buy, hold it. Kama uja buy V10. V10 is a very strong buy. Na inaenda very long distance side ya juu. Itapanda. Itapanda. Let me just turn it, because that is the comment first I saw. The rest I can't see them. I don't know what nimefanya ama ni wapi nimefinya. Nikifanya hivyo see anything 100 million. So V10 hata sitaenda place mrefu. I won't even do it so much. V10 we had an inverted head and shoulder hapa chini. Let me just show it. We had an inverted head and shoulder. This is on weekly. We had an inverted head and shoulder. This is a shoulder, the first shoulder here. This is our first shoulder. This is the head yote, and this is the last shoulder. So tuli break side ya juu. Rule inakuanga hivi. Market ikibreak side ya juu, you're supposed to measure the distance of the head. Yeah. This is the distance of the head. Ndio market itaenda side ya juu. So the market is supposed to come up to around here. Because we had an inverted head and shoulder na ime break side ya juu. We're supposed to go up. Sorry. We're supposed to go up distance ya head. We're supposed to go up distance ya head. Morning. That is the direction you're supposed to go up to. Yeah. So this trade can take weeks. Ama ita take, but ni worth. Because this is the lowest lot kwa yake, and if you hold it, even if for a week or so, inakulipa around 19,000, the lowest lot. Oh my god, nimekuwa nikitumia, instead nitumia wifi, nimekuwa nikitumia data zangu. Yeah, Jesus Christ is Lord. Naanda nashindwa kwa nini leta ibaki. Guy, nimekuwa nikitumia data. Okay, no problem, haina shida. So, nimeasha hata hii wifi. Itakujadi huku. For those who are asked, itaenda juu. Itabai hadi huku hivi juu. Hey, students wangu wamefika. So, I think I need to go. My students are already in the office wamefika. So, I need to go. Nataka kwenda. I hope that imekuwa helpful. Nitasoma comment after, nita reply tu kwa comments because I can't see them. Siwezi ziona. Sawa. Take care and yeah. And as I said, learn how it's done. Enda ufanye research ya nini venye inafanya. Kabisa. Leta mwaje, nikuonyeshana. So ndio tu alafu acha nionyeshane tu before niende niwape tu trade nyingine hii. Ngojeni hii ni tango aje, hii ni step index Ngojeni step index break hapa. Step index is supposed to come up to here. The lowest lot inalipa around the lowest lot kwa step index nafaa kubai, but ngojeni i-confirm i-break vizuri, itakuja hadi hapa. Iko na double bottom hapa. Iko na double bottom, it's supposed to come up to here. This is a double bottom. You see? Here, double bottom yetu ilitoka hapa. This market is supposed to buy up to here. Hizi trades zenye niko nazo, the lowest lot I think inalipa 8,000 ama something. I have like 2 of them in this small account. So yeah, trade gani ingine? Jump 100 na V10 I've already explained. Sijafanya analysis zote vizuri. Boom 1000, let me show you boom 1000 kwenye inaenda. Boom 1000, it's going here. Boom 1000 has something like, let me do it weekly. Boom 1000 is in a channel. It's in a channel. It's supposed to come up to here. Alafu kutoka hapa, either I break it proceed juu ama ishuke, but chances mingi tutafanya hivi. So tunaenda hivyo. Hii naendelea kwenye nilisema. I gave this trade on my last video. I gave a buy yake on my last video. It's supposed to come up to here. And I'm really longing for it kufanya hivyo venye nataka kufanya. I hope ikuje break hapa because tumetoka side ya chini, market yetu ikaingia kwa bearish flag. Ikikuja break hapa tutakuja hadi huko because market yetu inakuanga kwa channel. Tumekuwa kwa channel side ya juu, tukakuja tukaguza side ya chini, unaona hapa kenda side ya juu. So in case tukuje to break hapa, market tutarudi huku hivi juu. I think that's it for today because I can't even see your comment. Wacha nimalizie tu hiyo video hapa. Take care and share the video when mnataka. You can share the video to other people to learn. Just share the video please. And venye watu wengine wenye wanijui pia wala. So see you later and have a lovely day. Before nisahau, kuna trade ingine bado ya bure. Hii jump V75S hapa imekuja ika form double top. This market is supposed to come first, target ni hapa, but market itakuja hapa because ili break ikakuja kufanya retest. The market is supposed to drop up to here V75S. Hii ni trade ingine ya bure ya sell, watu wenye wanafanya volatility. I think nimepeana trades za kutosha leo, but the forex mkuje breakout hizo, I think people should wait. I'm gonna give them here on my page. Instead I'm gonna give them entry. Wacha nipeana mimi mwenyewe entry because if I tell people to place, wataenda wa place buy ama nini. Wacha nitazipeana kwa my big page Madam Forex at Telegram, and still I'm gonna post here. Sawa, I'm gonna give entry because hazina confirmed entry hizo pound USD na euro USD. I'm gonna confirm the entry, nitawape ikibreak hivyo. Mimi by the way, kama kuna trades napenda kupeana za bure ni za pound hulipa very fast more than other pairs. Have a good lovely day. Tutaongea baadaye. Sawa, bye.